Say good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Friday.
I don't know if we're getting ice cream or not.
No, I didn't put any money. That might be start next week, not today.
Oh yeah,
It starts next week.
Because
The real deal.
it's only 2 days of school, so chill with the ice
Today
cream.
that the boys go back to
The
school.
real deal
And
starts Monday.
Yep, the real deal is start Monday.
Crash.
And I made you guys your lunch already. Ayan guys, alis na tayo. Medyo, ano tong mga bagets na to, nagmamadali. Wait, let me get a picture of you guys. O, diba, kung nagreklamo na. Come on. Ayan, dito na sila sa school. Wait, do not open the door. Love you guys.
My mom love you.
Love you. Pick up. Yes, all three of them. Thank you. Did they love anything, Sissy? Alright, let's go to Walmart, guys. Huh? Yeah, let's go to Walmart. So, dito na kami guys sa Walmart. So, ito yung mga ano niya, Spider-Man. Kasi addicted pa rin siyang hanggang ngayon sa Spider-Man. So, maraming ano dito. Ha? Okay. Yeah, so, yun lang yung kukunin natin.
And I'm here too.
Oh, look. There's a, yeah. She's here too. Look, oh. There's Hello Kitty. Yeah.
Yeah, but we're not getting it. We're getting
Oh, there's the princesses too.
princessy.
Yeah, princessy.
Ooh, yeah, mini one. And some Mickey and Minnie. Minnie Mouse and Mickey.
Alright, let's
The
go.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside. It's fun inside. It's the Mickey Mouse.
Gusto ko sana to eh. $22. Electric inflatable. Ano. Kaso nga lang, mahal kasi ng mga ano na to. Nakaloka. Yeah. So ito na lang kunin natin. Yung maliit. Para lumilipad ang balon ni Troy.
Orange.
So this is the one.
Two.
And then we need number 6. Because he's gonna be 6.
Yep, he's me, number 6.
Yep, he's gonna be 6 years old. And then, patay na ito. Huh? That one? Happy birthday?
It means happy birthday.
I know, but it's too big though. They are just too big. Don't do that. You're making me cold.
Sorry.
I don't know.
Two.
So guys, tingnan nyo, nakita ko. $42 is a flashy chair. Pero hindi ko alam kung gaano siya kalaki kay Troy. Eh. Wait. It says plus 3 plus. Alright, ipipicture ko muna siya kay Daddy. Kasi wala kaming gift kay Troy. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Go, push! Tapos na kami guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung cake ni cupcake pala. This way! Okay, well, see, you're hitting it. Now push. Push! Ay, naku, kabagal nito. Just push. There you go. Push it all the way. You good?
Welcome to the cars around.
Yeah. Let's go. So guys, ito yung cupcake ni Troy para sa Saturday. Yan. And then, yung plain na boring cupcake para kay Troy sa school. Dalhin na natin. Let's go. You ready, ma'am? So, ito yung cupcakes guys na dadalhin natin sa school. And, dito na tayo sa school actually.
Just
So,
regular ones?
yeah. And then,
Let me help you.
this one is for Troy's, for school. I mean, practice. Close the door. Close the door.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. And put your phone up. Okay.
Hold on.
Let me hold. Wait, this way or that way?
That way. Oh, diba? Sobrang plain ng kanyang cupcake.
Bye-bye.
What?
The last day that me and Mom go shopping.
Will you stop saying
So
that?
let's go.
Sinasabi niya lagi, last day na namin shopping together. Kasi mag-i-school na siya. So hopefully, pwede natin i-deliver to sa room ni Troy. Papayagan tayo. Gusto ko lang naman i-deliver. Sige. Buo. Naloka na si ate girl. Ay, be careful going up there, ha?
Which way?
That way. Ugh. Ayan, na-drop off na natin, guys. Hindi tayo pinayagan pumasok sa sa room niya. But okay lang 'yan. Uy! Talaga to. Napaka-wild netong batuta na to. Sige, takbo girl. Alright, let's go home so I can get a coffee. Dahil hindi pa tayo nagka-coffee. Si ate girl, kumain na siya ng breakfast. Let's go. Let's go home. Let's go home. So guys, lunchtime. So nagluto lang ako ng langgonisa and then alam niyo naman, ipa-fried natin yung rice doon.
And me.
And sisi, gusto niya
This.
orange lang daw ang kainin niya. Pero susubuan natin yan.
Yes. These are the ones that made the orange juice.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, so kain tayo. Say kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Hoy, matagal na natin hindi sinasabi yan ah. Kain tayo. Hoy, say kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
So, susubuan natin si ate girl.
Your mom.
Habang kumakain tayo, manood tayo ng Batang Quiapo. Ala.
Mom, you're watching Elsa and Anna show.
Yeah.
It's my favorite show.
It's your favorite show?
There's bubbles on my legs. And let's see. Look at you.
Sarap. Don't take the bite. I did.
It's going. There it goes. Oh, it's melting. Let me go in. Cool. Our water's turning red first. It looks like we're gonna
What?
bathe in fruit punch now.
No, don't do that. You already ate this before.
Mommy, like if you do this, you can make a heart.
That one cute.
Talaga.
Just kidding, I like it.
You like it?
Is it his little boat?
I tricked you.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how our bath bomb is doing. It's doing very nice. It's busy.
Well, whoever did it, do that.
Let's see. Getting small.
Yeah, it's time to pick up Kuya.
Wish I could teleport to school.
You wanna wish to be teleport to school?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Are we going to school?
Yes, we're going to school.
Are we going all the way to school?
Yeah. All the way to school. Go. That's for today. Ugh. Oh my goodness.
Mom, you need to put in the back.
Yes. Aray ko, ang init na ko. Hindi ko na ilagay yung aking ano.
Not even
Ang init.
since Troy's a big kid who gets to sit here. Troy gets to sit here, Mom.
Yes. Go, buckled up now.
I put a Troy's iPad right here so
Oh my gosh, ang init na upuan.
so I can
Ang init.
Okay, ready.
Alright, it's time to go pick up brothers. Let's go, guys. Say let's go.
Let's go, guys. And it's a beautiful day.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's hot day.
Yeah, but it's a hot set.
Yeah. Oh guys, ito na tayo sa school. Ayun si Kuya Chado. Dito sila sa labas naglalaro. Tapos si Caleb somewhere doon. And may batang tulog. Tulog siya. Tulog. Hi guys. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog noong pag-uwi namin galing sa school, yung pagsundo kay Lacha at saka kay Caleb, kay Troy. Na-busy na po tayo, no? But anyways, pakita ko sa inyo, pakita ko sa inyo yung nabili nating gift para kay Troy. And samahan nyo na rin ako mag-decorate. Yeah, anong oras na? Parang madaling araw na ata. Like 12 na ata. O, diba? Kasi hinintay ko pa silang matulog. Like, as in, ayaw nilang matulog. Kaya hinintay ko pa silang matulog. So, eto na. So, dahil si Troy is obsessed sa Spider-Man, ayan, nakita natin yan. Diba? Ano-ano tayo sa mga laruan, pero tayo pa rin ang bumibili ng laruan. O, diba? Tapos, itong ano ba ito? Itong ayan, ano bang tawag dito? Venom na spider. Ayan. Tapos itong puro Spider-Man ang binili natin. Ayan, ayan, si Spider tsaka si Venom together. Ayan, Venomici. Venom basta. Tapos, itong flush chair. Ang bigat niya. So, ayan siya. Naka-sale pala siya guys ang regular price na is $42. Pero, naka-sale siya ng $26. O, diba? So, yan ang bibigay natin sa kanyang birthday. So, let's, mag-start na tayo ng wrap. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung pinili ni Daddy na wrapping paper. Kasi, para hindi daw halata na puro Spider-Man yung, may Spider-Man yung niya. So, kaya, ayan. Tapos, ayan. Spider-Man ng ating team. And, yung mga balloon, akala ko, nung binili ko to, may mga spider na dyan. Wala pala. Plain lang pala siya. Nakakaloka. So, hindi rin tayo nakahanap ng Spider-Man na banner. Gusto ko kasi yung ganyan, yung banner. Ayoko yung, yung pa-ganyan lang siya. Gusto ko yung ganyan. And then, hopefully magstay yung number 6 na ganyan at hindi siya mawala ng hangin. So, ayan. And then, ito yung, gagawa natin siya ng cake tomorrow. Ayan, ito kanyang number 6 candle. And then, ayan. So, ayan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na gift meron siya. O, diba? Ayan. So, ayan. Natapos ko rin. So, matutulog na ako, guys. Dahil, alam niyo ba kung anong oras na? It is 1 something na. Tingnan natin kung anong oras na. Ano siya ang cellphone ko? Saan ang cellphone ko? Nawawala ang cellphone ko. Ayun pala. Ayun na. 1:42 ng madaling araw. Mas nagtagal ako sa pagde-decorate ko, pag-wrap ng paper. Kasi nga, late na natulog yung mga bata. Kaya, ayan. And then, nanonood ako sa Netflix habang ako yung nag-wrap ng present. Tapos, ako doon. But, anyway, so, ako matutulog na guys. Kasi meron tayong practice tomorrow. May practice tayo tomorrow and yeah. So, kailangan na natin magpatulog. So, 8 to 12 ay 10 to 12 ang practice bukas. So, good night. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin today's video. Good night.